given the solutions, and then we're working backwards to write the function. Okay, so whenever I do that on 86, I need to turn this into where it's x equal to 0, it is x equal to -5, and then it's x equal to -9. Equal, let's change that up. Oop. So x is equal to -9. So what has to happen here is I need to rewrite this into a binomial. So I need to, since they are zeros, I need to make it to where everything's set equal to 0. So like if it's x is equal to -5, then what is equal to 0 here? Plus 5. And then on the x is equal to -9, x plus 9. Very good. Now, do we need to do anything here? We don't need to do anything. So we have y equals, or f of x, whatever you want to call it. Actually, let's move over so then I have more room. So I'm going to have y equals. Now, I need to have an a here because I need to know if there's any sort of multiplier that's going to make it, with the -7, give me 56. Okay, that'll come into play in just a second. So I'm going to take all of these that I have here and I'm going to multiply them together. Now, what I would do first if I was you, I would solve for a first and then go back in and multiply everything together. So where is the 56 going to go? What value? Is it going to go in for x or the y? It's going to go in for the y. So I'm going to have 56 equals a times -7 times -7 plus 5 times -7 plus 9. I need to solve for a before I do anything with my function. And then basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to come right back up to here and actually put everything back together. So in doing that, I'm going to have -7 times a -2 times a +2, and it's going to be equal to 28. So I'm going to have 56 equals 28a. So now if I'm going to solve for a, I need to divide by 28. So 56 divided by 28 is 2. So if a is 2, now all I'm going to do is basically put this back into my original equation. And then I'm just going to multiply everything together. So I'm going to basically take it over here, and I will have 2. I'm going to go ahead and make it 2x, because that's just easier. And then x plus 5. X plus 9. Now, it's really up to you as far as what you multiply together. Okay, I'm going to probably do these two first and have x squared plus 14x plus 45. And then multiply everything by 2x. So then I can get a final answer of 2x to the third plus 28x squared plus 90x. Now you always can go back and plug in the -7 to make sure that it works. You can go 2 times -7 to the third power, and then add 28 times -7 to the second power, and then add 90 times -7, and make sure you get 56, which I did. Okay, and you are good to go.